Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure content calendar for SEO using Asana. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Asana and create a new project for your content calendar. Choose a template or start from scratch, depending on your preference. Name the project something relevant, like SEO content calendar. Add sections to your project to categorize your content. Create sections for each phase of content production, such as ideas, in progress, and published. In the ideas section, add tasks for potential. For each task, include a brief description to clarify the focus of the content. Use the custom fields feature to add details like target keywords, target audience, and content format. Assign due dates for each task based on your publishing schedule. Assign team members to each task to clarify responsibilities. Use tags to categorize content by topics, SEO strategy, or publication channels. Incorporate a notes section within each task for any supplementary information. Regularly review and update the content calendar as new ideas arise. Link relevant tasks to other projects for cross-functional collaboration. Utilize Asana's timeline view to visualize content deadlines. Schedule regular check-ins to assess progress and make adjustments as needed. Consider integrating Asana with SEO tools for real-time keyword tracking. Make it a habit to analyze the performance post-publication. Gather insights from analytics to improve future content strategies. Adjust your content calendar based on SEO findings and trends. Ensure your team is trained on using the calendar effectively for consistency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.